My topic is all about dual monitor display setup. A dual monitor display setup uses two screens connected to one computer. It allows users to expand their workplace and improve productivity. The main purpose of the setting up dual monitor is to provide more screen space for multitasking, organizing work efficiently, and enhancing overall user's experience. Benefits of dual monitors: increase productivity, making multitasking easier, enhance comfort while working, useful for gaming designs and programming. Hardware requirements: two monitors, a computer or laptop with dual display support, proper cables such as HDMI, VGA, DisplayPort, or DVI. And last, graphic cards that supports multi-outputs. Set up Set up process for Windows. First, connect both monitors to the computer. Second, right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. Third, select 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 Detect if both screens are not shown. Fourth, choose Extend this display. And fifth, arrange display order and apply changes. And this is the setup for Mac OS. First, connect both monitors to your Mac. Second, open System Preferences and go to Display. And third, click Arrange tab. Fourth, drag display to desired position. Fifth, check or uncheck mirror display as needed. Display settings and arrangement. Adjust resolution and scaling for better visibility. Set primary and secondary monitor. Position monitor horizontally or vertically depending on use. Customize taskbar and wallpapers for both screen. Common problems and resolutions. Second monitor not detect. Check cables and restart. Wrong, wrong, wrong resolution. Adjust display settings. Display flickering. Update graphics drivers. No signal. Ensure correct input source and selected. Conclusion: Setting up a dual monitor display improves productivity and provides an efficient workspace for studying or working. With the right setup, it enhances comfort and efficient in daily computer use.